All right, first thing first, when it comes to cooking some ramen, all right, you gotta always have the ramen, all right? Me personally, I like the Samyang. These are my favorite. Not a lot of people like these, but bro, I absolutely love them. I don't got no negative review with the Samyang ramen. It's like the perfect spice. You get your little veggie in it or whatever. And the noodle, the texture of the noodles are just perfect, bro. It's just, everything about this is perfect. So I absolutely love it. But we got an egg as well. We're gonna add an egg. Normally I just toss the egg in with the ramen while it's cooking, but I'm gonna just scramble it separately today. And we got some Hillshire Farm goat meat, some smoked sausage. So let's go ahead and chop up our meat, man. So let's go ahead and break it down. Where is Suave? Where has Suave been? Man, I done been relocating. I done got a new job, relocated, all types of stuff, right? So yeah, I've stopped streaming for a while. Also, side note, if my audio is trash, I'm sorry. Camera angle is not angling right now. Let me fix that a little bit. Light in the back. I'm still just figuring some things out, but I'm sorry. But figure I'd get out an update of what's been going on. So new job, new location. I literally should have had internet, but it took me 2 weeks to plug up the internet. Then not only that, I put the wrong address on the activation. So therefore, I had to get a technician to come out here. The technician comes out here, fixes the internet cord because the internet cord was trash where I am. And then they was like, "Oh, we got to send you another technician out because that's not what my help ticket was for. My help ticket was to fix the box or whatever." So I'm like, all right, whatever. So 2 days in a row, no internet when I move in. So the new tech comes out. He has to redo the wire all over again. So he redoes everything. It took him about 2-3 hours to redo it. I finally get internet. So I haven't been in this spot for long. I would say a week. I only had internet for a couple of days. Probably like 2 or 3 days, but I've been at work, so I've been getting off kind of late as well. Then you gotta realize the New Year's is around. I'm not even fully moved in yet, so I'm doing a lot of driving back and forth when it comes to, moving everything. But it's a work in progress. We're getting there, so can't complain about it. All right, cool. So we got our sausage. Got our little sausages, whatever. I always have some butter for the pan. All right, if you got no butter, put some Pam in that thing. They both work. As far as like me making videos and stuff, like, yeah, I got videos that I could be editing, but it's like, they're kind of outdated now. So it's like, dang, should I still drop them or not? Like, not only that, I need to go live again as well. So it's like, I need to find a time to go live again, which will probably have to be the weekend since I'm off Friday, Saturday. Or just wake up early in the morning, go live, and then go to work. But that's a lie if I work Monday through Friday full time. So I need to just make videos, edit them, and drop them. Which is not a problem because I've been doing that anyways. So it's not anything different. So I can't sit here and be like, I don't have time to drop anything. For the people that's in my Discord, don't worry, the return is coming, bro. I just gotta figure out a schedule. But we're figuring it out. It's all going well right now. As far as gaming goes, like, I'm gonna definitely get back into gaming. I feel like I need to like, instead of just playing straight horror games, I need to play other games as well. Like, I need to get back into DayZ and grind DayZ. I really want to do that. I really want to get back into DayZ and grind DayZ. The sausage is being cooked. So look, when y'all cooking this sausage, you don't want to overcook it either. So you just cook you a couple of pieces. Also, if you got any recommendations on the ramen, let me know. Alright? I'm down to try all ramen, but don't come talking about some, I'm not eating none of the hottest ramens. Like, I'm not gonna do that. Unless it's like a challenge or something, bro. Shout out my boy Jalen. He got me a bowl. Got me a ramen bowl. It's deep too. Little deep ramen bowl. Came with a spoon. Now I don't know about y'all, but when I cook my sausage, I gotta have it like burnt a little bit. Like, gotta have it burnt a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Gotta have it like that. Just put the sausage in the bowl, bro. It don't matter if it's on top of the ramen. People probably bash me like, oh my God, you put the sausage at the bottom of the bowl. Bro, it's all going to the same place. All right, so my question is like, what's the best ramen to eat? I told somebody I ate this Sam Yang and they said, ew, gross. Shin is the best. I said, the Shin ramen? I've had the Shin ramen, bro. And I didn't like it. Like, it wasn't bad, but the spice level is insane for the Shin ramen. Like, where I used to stay, yes, of course there was an Asian market, but they stopped selling the Shin Yang. So I'm like, all right, cool. I got this for Christmas. I literally got the Sam Yangs for Christmas. That's what's crazy. One of the best gifts I got is the Sam Yang, right? So you crack your egg, yeah, of course. You see me crack that egg perfectly. Put that thing in there, all right? All right, so we got our eggs and sausage. Eggs and sausage here. Yes, 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 yes. Sometimes I like the juice because I like to have the juice in the spoon to eat the noodles and stuff. And sometimes when you add the egg while cooking it in the water with the noodles, it'll kind of like thicken it up a little bit. Sometimes I just like the juice to be like liquidy sometimes in the ramen, the samyang, just to get that extra spice in there. But whatever y'all want to do, y'all want to drain it, that's on y'all. But me personally, I love the juice. So we got that water to a boil. So when you open your samyang pack, you got 2 packs. You got your flakes, of course. Get up in there. Get up in there. Yeah, got your flakes, veggies, or whatever. Ain't no telling these days, your carrots or whatever. Got them in there, go ahead and toss them in. Boom. Cool. You got your spice, your soup spice, alright? Then you got your noodles. I crumbled them up already. This is a non-soggy noodles. This is why I love these noodles. They don't get soggy. But y'all would be real surprised on how like people cannot even cook ramen. Like, bro, I've had people literally call me to ask me like, what do I put my noodles on in a microwave? Like the instant ramen, you know? I'm just like, bro, it's on the pack. Like, and if you got a weak microwave, we might need to put it on an extra minute. But it's on the pack, bro. You know, just maybe read the pack. How you forget to put, like, how you forget what you need to put the noodles on in the microwave? You know what I mean? And we're gonna put that sauce up on that iron. I'm gonna put the soup in there. Soup sauce. I wanna sprinkle it all over. Sprinkle that thing all over. Get you a real good look. You got your juice. You got your egg, your sausage, and your noodles. Oh my God. Like, oh my goodness. Now, I don't know how to use chopsticks. But I'm gonna take a bite for y'all. Get some of that juice. Yes. Get some of that noodle. Get your sausage. Get you an egg up on there. Is there some egg? Yes. Look at that. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. But if y'all enjoyed the video, hit that like button, hit that sub button. I'm glad to be back, alright? Let me know what other ramen y'all want to see me try. If y'all want to see me try any ramen and cook it. And what to add to it or whatever. Or if y'all want to see me make some homemade as well. I've been doing my research on it. But other than that, hit that like button, hit that sub button. Your boy Suave is out. Peace.